Hello, I'm Emma Davis, a garden expert and QVC presenter, and today we're in my garden in Tunbridge Wells, and I'm going to show you how to look after your lawn. So the first step is to mow your lawn, of course. Give it a really good cut and make sure you get it as short as you possibly can. And then we're going to go in with our Scarifying lawn rake. All that is a metal fine pronged rake. You want to give it a really good Scarify and pick up all of the thatch. That's the dead grass that lives underneath your lovely luscious layer of grass. Once you've raked up all of your thatch, don't forget, pop it in your compost heap because it is full of lovely nutrients. Next, it is all about aerating your lawn. It is really important to make lots of little holes in your lawn to create those air pockets for the grass roots to grow in. But bear with me, all I have is a garden fork. I don't have a lawn aerator, so it might take me a while. This is entirely personal preference, but it's up to you whether you want to remove the weeds from your lawn. And I quite like to remove a few of the weeds so they don't multiply in the years to come. So I'm using this incredible weed puller from Grass Gains. Super easy to use. You just pop the prongs into your weed, you literally tilt it back and the weed comes out. So I've made up a few blocks of Richard Jackson's Easy Compost, and now I'm just going to scatter some of this compost over the lawn area that I have scarified and aerated, and then sow some grass seed on the top. And now all you have to do, if there's not a downpour scheduled, is give it a little water. And that is it, really super simple. Within a few days, hopefully you should see your grass seeds start to germinate, and in a few weeks, you will have a lovely, luscious lawn. If you like this video, you know that you can discover more by heading to My Garden Escape at QVCUK.com.